but it's so hard to focus with the chainsaw blaster. Like, if you hit any of your shape buttons, you hit that X button, and it'll like automatically send you like to a predetermined spot to lock onto, and it's like, no, because how do I do this? What? Yeah, like that. No, that was the X button. That was no. Come on. What button is it? But yeah, okay, R2, R2D2. That is my button.
Shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
It is so hilarious, Nick. Sweet shot, thank you.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at
wow, we got to the bottom of the ninth very quickly. Just trying to remember how to do shit. Okay, that was the X button. It just switches you to like 90-degree angles, basically.
You're not getting away of
That.
my
No, fucking no! Stop! Fucking stop! Oh, come on! No, that's not what I wanted. Okay, do you see what I mean? Like, I have to use the second directional, the second joystick. I mean, yeah, I gotta use that to move my blaster around, and it's like, it does lock onto it, but it's so easy to just slip and lock off of your target. I fucking hate this thing. It's a powerful weapon, it gets rid of them pretty much in one shot, but... okay, I got one. Ooey, Yui, Uwe, Wee. Fuck you! That is not something to joke about. I'm sorry, you do not joke about cancer. You do not joke about cancer, wee. I will joke about your fucking name. What the fuck? That was a fast fucking crawl. You know. Oh.
Well, the game's over.
What?
Guess that bomb's gonna go off.
No.
While you're blown into a million fucking pieces. Think we'll wrap things up in the booth. See ya!
No! Well, I kind of predicted I wasn't gonna get this first. It's a very hard mode anyway, so... Okay, now that I know what I'm doing with my weapon, see if I get it a second try.
Wowza, home run!
Ooh, I shot Wee right in his fucking cock.
Check out that form.
Fuck yes, I roll.
I should have been team captain.
Yes.
No!
Well, the game's over.
No!
Guess that bomb's gonna go off. While you're blown
Fucking
into a
again?
million fucking pieces. Think we'll wrap things up in the booth.
No!
See
I
ya.
was protecting him! No!
Yeah, I
No!
love you, baby, always.
It's not happening. I have not lost this much in this fucking baseball game. Like, the blaster sucks balls, but I mean...
Zombie baseball.
Jeez.
Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies. Can you score a winning home
One
run?
more time. Pretty sure. Third time's the charm.
Game's-
Family gets cancer. What is that? It's mean.
Wowza, home run!
I should have been team captain.
Why? Look, wait. Why are you crawling towards me? Come on. What? Oh, no. That's why I fucking hate the cheerleaders. Use their legs and they can call in their fucking hands. I'm kidding.
Well, the game's over. Guess
Again?
the bomb's gonna go off.
No!
While you
I was
blow
blocking
into a million
everybody!
fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things up in
No!
the booth.
Did
See
one
ya?
get behind me and I didn't realize it? This is fucking bullshit.
Yeah, and I'll love you, baby, always.
Then... Oh my god, I'm gonna go insane. B... Right? Can't even say it. Go, cut, right now.
Yeah. Another hit.
Come on. No. No. Wait! What the f- No! No! Where are my fucking bullets? I should be- No! I need more! You can't limit me on fucking bullets! Are you shitting me? Are you fucking shitting me? You're limiting me on fucking bullets during a baseball game! Are you-
Well, the game's over. Guess that bomb's gonna go
I'm
off.
fucking done!
While
I'm
you're
done!
blown into a
Oh my
million
god!
fucking
I can't-
pieces, think we'll wrap things up in the
I
booth.
can't fucking do this!
See ya.
Oh, I can't.
And I'll
Are
love
you
you,
shitting
baby,
me? I'm sorry. I can't do this anymore. Oh! I'm sorry. I have to end this episode. I gotta end this series right now. Not the whole game series. Just this run right now. Thank you so much for watching, boys and ghouls. I'll see you soon.